depth. Someone please tell me about market depth. Who has traded, who has some knowledge about trading about stock market. What is market depth? Is it a chart? Okay. Is it a chart of a stock, or is it the performance of the company? Like, uh, if I say performance, I mean the statistics of the company, the deals which the company had, the profits, the dividends, and everything. Is it that which actually matters, or is it the chart, or is it the market depth? So there are two types of answers. Of course, I just gave you a third option of performance. You just leave that option. So, like two options are chart or market depth. Okay. But the problem with chart and market depth is that, okay, one is dad and one is its child. And one is king, and which is the king. Market depth is the kingmaker and chart is the king. So we people always find it very difficult to analyze market depth. Okay, because we have something called chart, which is actually spoon feeding. Okay, chart gives us everything, almost everything combined, so that we don't have to. Okay, but what we have to know is that from market depth, the data which we get from market depth, that is which is actually used to get charts, and it is recorded. That is actually a chart. Market depth is instantaneous. Okay, and chart has has the data of the stock from the past. Is that clear? The accidental use of video is fine. Okay, I can understand. You don't have to worry. You just have to, if your video switch is on, just make sure that you switch it off. Okay. So that part is clear, right? Why market depth is important? Because market depth shows the instantaneous work of the stock, instantaneous actions. Stop. Clear, right? No, I'll explain what is market depth. Okay. If you don't know what is market depth, okay, you should if you're using Zerodha, when you see a stock, you can see depth. Okay, depth. Just go to depth, then you will see one side will be asked, one side will be bidden, the other side will be asked. Otherwise, one side will be bidden, the other side will be offer. Offer price and bid price. Okay. So what is offer price and bid price? You know that in your basic sessions you will be taught, right? Which was taught today. You was it taught today? Yes. Who attended today's afternoon session, it might be taught. Then what is bid and what is offer? Is that clear? It was not taught. Please don't tell me that it was not taught. Did you attend today's session? Have you attended basic session of premium membership? As in, even if you are a platinum member directly, you will be getting one premium session, one basic session. It should be attended. So many people didn't get the link, it seems. Yeah. So those who didn't get the link, you people join directly to platinum membership, or you were a premium member of Induscraft. No, who didn't get the link? Okay, I'm not asking about first session of platinum. If it's premium to platinum, of course you have attended the basic session in premium membership, right? If you don't remember it, it's not my problem. Okay, shouldn't attend. Basil didn't attend. Asif didn't attend. Okay, cool. So what is market depth? I'll tell you. Okay. Make two columns. Okay. Make two columns. Table with two columns, rows plus 6 rows. Columns and 6 rows. Make a table with two columns and 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this. Is that clear? Make a table with two columns and 6 rows. One should be bid, one should be offered. I'm sorry. So you have to make a small change in the table to be like this. From the second row, I make it into 4 columns. And clear? Calling column number 1, column number 2, column number 3, and column number 4. Column number 1 is under bid. Column number 2 is also under bid. Column number 3 is under offer, and column number 4 is under offer. Is that clear? Is there anyone who is having any doubt in making this table? I won't be explaining it again once you're clear with this thing. So, we are talking about a stock whose actual price or the market price is 100 rupees. Okay, so we are talking about a stock whose actual price is 100 rupees. Is that clear? Refresh as a Sudarshan, what do you mean by refresh? Okay. No, it's fine, I'll teach you. Okay. So what is bid and what is offer? So that is the first question. So the current price of the market price of the stock is 100 rupees. That is clear, right? Please, I need you people to be ready with your message as yes and be just ready so that I get a proper response from you so that it will easy for me. Okay. So what is bid? What is bid? When you bid, what do you mean by bidding? Okay. What do you mean by bidding? It's basically buying. It's basically asking someone for a lesser price of the same product. If the product is 100 rupees when you bid, you will get it for lesser than 100 rupees. That is right? Is that clear? When you bid, it means that you will be asking for a lesser price of the actual price compared to the actual price. So we will write in the first column, we'll write 99.90, 99.80, 99.70, 99.60, 99.